Hi, let us understand about party addresses, shipping and import information. Let's edit the transaction. And under additional details, you have two different sections for party addresses, shipping and import information. Under party addresses, you have supplier and consignee detail tabs. You can use the option copy from ledger for you to automatically fetch all the business information of your vendor saved in the ledger. I click on copy and automatically all the fields are auto-populated. Now, under consignee details, you can enable the copy from organization address to fetch all the business information of your organization. I'll click on copy and automatically all the fields are auto-populated. I'll click on Ctrl A to save. And under shipping and import information, you have two tabs, one for shipping and the other is for import information, where you can fill in multiple details like the tracking ID, the landing number, the carrier name, the shipment mode, and other information like bill of entry, date, the vessel name, the place, and other important information which would need for tracking your shipment from the vendor location to your location. And under import information, you have multiple fields like bill of entry, date of the bill of entry, the vessel number, the port of lading and discharge, and other important information for you to track your shipment from the vendor location. This concludes our party addresses and shipping and import information.